How are you? Come here a second and I'll give you a little behind the scenes sneak peek of what to expect on the channel. Well, my name's Stephen, I'm an Irish Lucid Dreaming enthusiast, but I'm also a professional cinematographer and video editor. While it's very important to me that I share reliable information on the subject and not get caught up in all the hype and the bollocks, my number one goal with this channel is to create eye-catching and accessible content that any old Eejit can understand in order to bring lucid dreaming to a wider mainstream audience. It may seem mad, but you'd be surprised what a bit of production value can do to advance an obscure subject like this forward and remove some of the stigma around discussing dreams and exploring the subconscious. With over a decade of experience shooting everything from commercials to feature films, I also dabble in color grading, VFX and image manipulation, but it's not my area of expertise. I'll be relying primarily on practical in-camera effects to bring you dreamlike and hypnagogic visuals like you've never seen before. It's gonna get a bit experimental. I'll even be incorporating miniature sets, so make sure to get subscribed for that. But enough about all that shite. You came here to learn about lucid dreaming after all. Well, I've got you covered there too, boys. We'll get stuck into all those confusing acronyms, explain the theory and execution of some of the most beneficial daytime practices and nighttime techniques. Not to mention, we'll explore the wider world of herbal teas, herbs, investigate the most touted vitamins, supplements and foods, and what effect, if any, they have on our dream recall and lucidity. Review many of the top-selling books on the subject, and examine wearables and other technology that claims to aid in sleep or lucid dream induction. Well, that about wraps up the channel trailer. Thank you for watching. Please get subscribed if you're not already, and stay tuned for more full-length videos. Sure, we're only getting started here, lads.